Alrighty, our next and our last oil in this series is Valor. Valor is one that you're going to get in the premium starter kit. It is a wonderful, just like the name says, it's good for confidence and good for just helping to give you that boost of valor and confidence so that you can face your day. I often use this when the kiddos are getting ready to take a test at school. They get a little valor on their body and it helps them to go in there with a boost of confidence. This is another blend. It's a blend of spruce, rosewood, blue tansy, and frankincense. This is another one that's going to have like a greenish blue tint to it. So if you are going to put it on, you might want to put it on and then let it dry a little bit before you put any light colored clothes on. It has a wonderful fragrance. It's definitely one of my favorites, and so I hope that it becomes yours. This is another one, like I said, in the premium starter kit. So you will be able to get all of these oils in the premium starter kit from Young Living. And make sure you click on subscribe for our Young Living the Good Life YouTube channel so that you can watch all of these videos. You can learn about all the oils in the premium starter kit, and you can also learn about all of the other products that we have available at Young Living. So we'll see you on the next video. It will not be one about the premium starter kit oils, but it will be fun. Thanks.